maybe I should make a little test with GPS speed so you can see it for yourself. It's really not very windy today, but I'm going in the tailwind now. Okay, so let's see with GPS. Maybe you can see it here in front of me. 33 now, 40, 45, 46, and I have used one bar, so this is really good. 45, 47, I'm not pushing. I will try to push now. 53 is set there shortly, and I'm pushing hard. 50, 48, 49, yeah. Whew. I like this bike, though would be nice if it was just as fast accelerating as the 2014 model of the race. But if you think about safety, it might be okay that it doesn't accelerate really fast. I'm pretty sure with a full charged battery you will easily go to 45 without any effort. Oh my god, I have already used another bar. That wasn't very much. And actually, now the bike goes by itself. I'm not doing anything. Okay, here it cut off, and here it comes again. It's going by itself now. I think BH has to do a little bit of touching around with the controller. Also, I have experienced that when I'm just walking the bike, it starts going off by itself. That's a little bit dangerous. Now let's see if I can out accelerate the cars. Okay, here we go. And I'm away from the cars. They are left behind. And here comes the car. I'm actually almost following it. Okay, I just saw a Lycra guy. I can't help it. I have to overtake him. Okay, here we go. And he is pushing hard. I can see that. Check out how fast that was passing him. He is totally left behind. I'll stop here. You can see the gap I made. I get a lot of moisture in my eyes. So you should wear glasses using this bike. Also, I got a few bugs in my eyes. And when you cruise around at 45, you get water in your eyes. So sunglasses are really recommended. This is a kickstand, it is built in. So this is an upgrade, it's a nice upgrade. When you just lift the bike, whoops, it goes by itself. And another upgrade is that you have integrated lights. Can I turn them on now? No, I think I have to do that on the bike. Is it here? No, that is all the bike going by itself. I don't know where that is. Oh yes, I turned them on now. So you can see here, it would be nice if you could make it flash, then the cars can see you better. And here you have the front light, just have to put it on. That has not been done yet. So would I make an upgrade from my 2014? Well, I think so, if I had the money. But the 2014 model is faster accelerating, and which has the best look? I don't know. They really have good looks, both of them.